Hello, this is Jonny Jakson from Evolve Dentistry with a video showing you how to nest an Ivotion design into VHF E5. Let's get started. With the VHF milling software, first open the drop-down menu under blank type and select Ivotion Denture D. Keep the puck dimension at 98.5, height at 38, and scaling at 1. Enter the puck's batch number and use comment to name the file. We recommend adding the patient's name for easy searchability. Make sure that the tool type is set to mill and click the confirmation button. Now the case should appear in the archive section. Click on the button at the upper right to continue. The next step is to locate the design file in File Explorer. Navigate from the window in the top left to open it. This will open a viewport of the scan file in the bottom left corner. Click the last tooth icon to confirm the restoration you want made in the puck. See that the information we added from step 1 and the STL file are both present in the scene. Next, go to the fourth tab. Set the support thickness to 2.0 millimeters and click on the scan at the line of contour or outermost buccal side of the teeth. A support bar will appear at the site. Do not add supports to the anterior-most teeth because we want to avoid them being adjusted during post-processing. Repeat this step around the restoration so that there are 3 support bars symmetrically on either side and 3 more cylinders equally spaced on the inside. The fifth and final step is to open the Calculate Job window. Confirm that all of the data is correct. Once the data is confirmed, it goes to the Dental CNC program, which controls the mill. Click the play button to start milling. And now you know how to nest an Ivotion design into VHF E5. For more information about the milling process, please contact our office using the information you see on screen. Thank you for watching.